Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this Tesla Cybertruck that was presented by Elon Musk. It's quite a big model, but it still isn't at a scale of 1:1, so I can't take a drive on it. Yeah, it's small, and it's been a while since the official presentation, but I still made my own Cybertruck. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it was made of hard NSP plasticine and plasticine clay. It is ready for painting. There are no elements of the interior. I'll install them after the painting. As always, I start with the layer of primer, and then I'll cover it with spray paint. After that, I've added the finishing touch, such as wheels installation, and here is my creation. I spent 56 hours and 6 days on the creation of this pickup with an angular body. I think it's time to say, how do you like it, Elon Musk? Actually, it wasn't difficult to do it. Only the creation of the car frame and the angular car body took a lot of time. Then I just attached the plain and thin car body details. I made them thin so to make the crash test. What else do you expect on my channel? I'm sure each of you is interested in seeing its crash. The construction turned out to be very durable, so it'll look quite realistic, but you'll see it in the next video, which will be released on the channel very soon. Today, I'll tell you more about this Cybertruck, so it has a little bit more time than my other cars. I used the foil to strengthen the plasticine. This way, it keeps the desired shape better without sagging. I didn't find any difficulties in its creation. It is a 1/24 scale model. I used the blueprints to create this Cybertruck, since I didn't find them on the internet, so I had to print pictures of the car from different sides and make my own blueprints. Also, I took a look at it in the mobile app Form a Car. Since there is very little information on it, I didn't see the bottom. I didn't want to create something of my own here, so I left it this way. One more thing, I modeled the interior using only one photo, and that was enough for me. I've used transparent plastic to cut out the windows, and then glued them to the car body. Also, I made fully functioning running gear, so it can drive. Of course, I didn't manage to make straight lines. If you look closely, you can see the waves. It's because I was trying to make everything very thin. When I pressed the plasticine, unfortunately, it wasn't pressed evenly. That's why I have such a defect. It looks like I used the sledgehammers to make it smooth. When I saw this Cybertruck for the first time, I thought it was a joke. But no, it will actually go on sale. Before its creation, I really didn't like it. I thought that such a design looks quite strange, even in late 2021. But when I made it completely, my negative attitude was gone. All these angular shapes don't look as ridiculous as they seem to me at first sight. And I even began to like it somehow. It looks unusual and strange, but damn, this thing is cool. Maybe we are already so used to these smooth car lines, so it's quite difficult to embrace this new version of the car design. It was certainly a very bold decision to release such a car, in such a design, but I think Elon Musk can afford to do it. These were my thoughts about Cybertruck, and now I'll show you how I sculpted it from the very beginning to the very end. I hope this video is interesting for you, so if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!